Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 rumored release date, price, specs and latest news. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the expected sequel to the current best foldable phone you can buy. The biggest Galaxy Z Fold 5 rumors point to a new water drop hinge design that could minimize the crease, a lighter build, a faster processor and possible camera upgrades. Here's the latest Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 rumors and leaks. Please like this video if you are a Samsung phone lover. Let me know in the comment section what you are looking out for in this new flagship. And if you haven't subscribed already, then hit subscribe button now, so you don't miss a thing in the future. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 widened both displays and made them a bit shorter too, which helped them be more usable, and we hope that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 keeps this subtle but important change. Based on recent leak-based renders, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 should be stealing nearly the entirety of the Galaxy Z Fold 4's look. The only difference will seemingly be the cameras, which will be separated, Galaxy S23 style. According to reputable tech leaker Ice Universe, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have very few design differences from the Fold 4, but it will be noticeably slimmer and marginally more compact. It'll also weigh a little less too. As such, it sounds like you'll have to wait for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 for a major design overhaul. Another rumor suggests that Samsung could eliminate the crease completely on the Fold 5 with a new water drop type display structure. The new structure could work by allowing some portion of the inner screen to roll inside the phone's main body to prevent the display from creasing. Samsung apparently calls this mechanism a dumbbell type hinge internally, and the company reportedly patented this design back in 2016. Thanks to this new dumbbell hinge design, the durability of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 might improve as well, and it will be able to withstand more folding and opening in its lifetime. According to the elect, Samsung is aiming to test the new hinge to 300,000 folds, 50% more than the Z Fold 4's 200,000. The report also claims that the Z Fold 5 will be thinner and lighter than its predecessor as a result of the new hinge design. The Z Fold the 5th of May also finally add onboard storage for the S Pen Fold edition that you can currently buy as an optional extra. It's annoying to have to store the stylus separately or in a case that adds a lot of bulk to the back of the phone. So if Samsung can find a way to store the stylus in the Z Fold 5 without adding too much extra bulk, that would be perfect. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.